Chicken Paratha Roll Recipe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make chicken paratha roll. It is easy and delicious. You also must try. First, I take a pot and add oil. Add ginger and garlic paste. Take 1 kilo boneless chicken. Take one, which we put in the pan in which the ginger paste was added, mix it well, and fry it. Now put green chilies and tomatoes in it. After mixing it well, add salt, turmeric, chili powder, dry coriander and mix it. Fry it well until it smells good. And put buttons inside it and mix spices. And add finely chopped onion in it and mix it well. Prepare the sauce for the chicken paratha roll in which I have put mayonnaise. Put a couple of spoons of yogurt in it and add black pepper and salt and mix it well. Now we will learn by placing the paratha on the stove a little bit and put the filling inside it. First we will put the sauce on the paratha and then we will put our filling on top of it again with this sauce. We'll cover it well. And now eat it from them. Here is our paratha roll, which was a G's recipe. This was the chicken paratha roll, which was very interesting to look at and enough to eat. You must try it at home.
Ari, wah!